Come with me tonight as we enjoy this sumptuous feast with the entire family. Isa to sa mga restaurants dito sa Angeles City na talaga namang hindi ako kinakabahan na i-recommend to sa kahit kanino pa. Kasi talaga naman yung mga dishes nila dito always makes us wanna go back. Meron din sila mga mocktails and cocktails. The vibe is super chill and classy. Pwede dito yung family dinners or even date nights. This place is called Pints, located sa may likod ng Casino Filipino, open daily from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Di mo kailangan mag-alala sa parking space kasi marami dito. They serve a good mix of international and elevated Filipino dishes. Palagi kong ino-order dito yung baked oysters. They're super fresh and cheesy. Ang problema, nakaisa lang ako kasi itong dalawang pamangkin ko sobrang hilig din sa seafood at sila yung nakaubos niyan. Kaya ang ending, ako pa talaga yung hindi natirhan. Buti na lang, ako lang ang mag-isang kumakain ng raw fish dito sa amin. Kaya naman na solo ko itong ahi tuna salad. Although the outside of the fish is seared with a layer of sesame seeds, pero yung inside niya remains fresh. Para naman kina Papa, itong chicken mango salad. Apart from slices of mango, yung dressing niya mismo lasang mangga, so it gives you that fruity sweetness. And then ito naman yung elevated na beef pares, may kasamang egg and paired with some garlic rice. The sauce is thick and kinda sweet, tapos melt in your mouth yung fatty portions at ang lambot ng meat. For sure, babalik-balikan nyo to pag natikman nyo. Another crowd favorite ay itong boneless fried chicken served with gravy, chips, at dalawang klase ng dip. In fairness, ang bilis na ubos ng dish na to sa amin. Gustong-gusto both ng kids and ng adults. Ito naman yung Nacho Supremo na napaka-loaded ng dip. It's pulled chicken na merong parang barbecue sauce and then melted cheese on top. Up next, we're having a platter of 12 pieces of chicken wings in 2 different flavors. Yung kalahati ay salt and pepper and yung other half naman ay honey mustard na gustong-gusto ng kids. Isunod naman natin yung croquettes na merong filling sa loob, meron din kasamang chips and dip para kay Marcos na may pagka-picky eater. Yung kay Mama naman ay chicken roulade. This is wrapped in bacon and served with mashed potato, a creamy sauce, and some beans on the side. Kung mapapansin nyo, lagi rin talaga kami nag-o-order ng baked salmon dahil mahilig talaga kami dyan. Etong version nila has a little bit of a glaze on the outside and paired with some rice. Panalo itong gambas nila. It's shrimp cooked with a lot of garlic and sausage pieces. It's very savory. May kasama yung flatbread pero pwede mo ring ulamin. Kung hindi ka pa nakakatikim ng lamb, available yan dito sa kanila. Medyo may pagka-Mexican ang dating ng spice profile na ginamit dito. Hindi siya maanggo, malambot yung meat. Perfecto lalo na if you wanna splurge a little bit on a special occasion. Although hindi rin naman ganun kamahal, I would say mid-range yung pricing nila dito. Ito naman is a very thick slice of pork chop served on top of mashed potato, green beans, and then yung parang sauce niya has a lot of garlic and some softened and buttery apples. Grabe, all of those contrasting flavors in one dish is magic. Kaya naman ako talaga personally, isa to sa mga highly recommended restaurants ko dito sa Angeles City. Kasi hindi ka lang basta mabubusog, mapapawaw ka talaga doon sa flavors and sa quality ng sineserve nila. So kung hindi nyo pa sila nasusubukan, the next time na maghahanap kayo ng kakainan with your family and friends, itry nyo na rin dito sa Pigs and Pints and I'm sure you're gonna love it.